If you ask me, the easiest way of making money on YouTube is with affiliate marketing, and as an affiliate marketer, you will always need products to promote. But the truth is, it can be very challenging, especially for YouTubers just starting out, to find products in their niche to promote. Having said that, there are ways to find affiliate marketing products that will easily convert to affiliate commissions in almost any niche. Usually you'll find products to promote from the most obvious places, while others need some findings. In this video, we are going to explore some options that will help you find the best products to promote in your targeted niche. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to find affiliate products in your targeted niche to promote on your channel. I'm also going to show you what you need to do to find affiliate products that you are looking for, and at the end of this video, we are also going to look at some affiliate products that work for every niche, so you have something to promote in your videos and start making some side commissions. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you are interested in growing your channel, driving traffic to your videos while making money on the site as an affiliate marketer, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, the first way of finding an affiliate product to promote in your videos is by looking at what others in your niche are already promoting. To do that, you want to make a search using a search keyword or phrase related to your niche and click through to some of the videos. Watch through the video to see if any product is mentioned in the video. You can also click to expand the video description and start clicking through some of the links, especially the links that are not video links. If you come across a link that leads you to an email capture page, for example, you want to sign up and check the follow-up emails. Usually, marketers promote affiliate offers only through their emails. Now, if any of the links you click leads you to a sales page of a product, to be able to find the affiliate link of that product to join, you might want to look at the top or footer of the sales page or website. Here is an example of a link to the affiliate program for this product. You also have to keep in mind that some product owners refer to affiliate program as partner program. So all you have to do next is click on the link and follow the on-screen steps, register as an affiliate, get your affiliate product link and start promoting. Now, another way of finding an affiliate product to promote in your niche is by making a Google search. Here is a search I did for a tool called Tailwind, used for automating posting on social sites. Now, if you click through and go to the Tailwind homepage, you will not find a partner or affiliate program link at the top or at the footer of the page. This is just to show you that you might come across a product sales page and still not find the affiliate link to join. In that case, you have to do a search using the product name plus affiliate program. Take for example, in this case, I'll just type Tailwind plus affiliate program at the end and then make my search. Now, as you can see here, you'll find a link to the Tailwind affiliate program, which you can easily join and start promoting. In some cases, you might also come across a product listed under an affiliate network or program. In that case, you will need to join the affiliate network. Affiliate networks are basically platforms that act as middleman between publishers and advertisers. That is, affiliates like you and I and product owners. So affiliate networks are platforms that you can find many different products in your niche to promote. The truth is, marketers belong to at least one affiliate network. Personally, I'm presently actively making commissions from 4 different affiliate networks, and each of the affiliate networks give me access to hundreds of products in different niches, and the best part is I can manage everything from one single dashboard. Being able to manage everything in one dashboard will enable you to have all the affiliate links that you are promoting all in one place. You also have all the commissions you are making from the different products you are promoting on a particular network all pulled together so you can get your product sales commissions faster. An example of an affiliate network in the online marketing niche would be something like ClickBank. On ClickBank, you'll find digital products on almost any niche, paying you affiliate commissions ranging from 50% to 75% of the product sales. With a little bit of search, you also find niche affiliate networks like Market Health, which deals with health and wellness, or Max Bounty, which deals with affiliate CPA offers. Now, what if you can't find the affiliate link or affiliate network of a product that you would like to promote? Of course, there's going to be some cases where you won't be able to find an affiliate program or affiliate link for some of the products that you really like to promote. And that's simply because not all product owners online have or support an affiliate program. So what do you do in such a case? In that situation, you can do one of three options. First, you want to find out if the product has a referral program instead. Referral program works similar to affiliate programs. However, depending on the referral program, some will pay you back by offering you a free month of using the product, while others will pay you hundreds of dollars a year, if not more. Another option is simply writing to the product service or product owner, asking them if you can promote their service or product as an affiliate simply because you love their product. In some cases, the product owner might set up an affiliate program just for you. Now, let us look at some of the affiliate networks and programs that work for every niche. So if after going through all the different ways I've shared with you in this video and you still can't find an affiliate network or product in your niche to promote, don't worry. You can join the Amazon Associate program and become an affiliate. That's simply because on Amazon, you can also promote books, courses, and topics in almost any niche. You can also check out online course platforms like Udemy and Teachable for their affiliate programs. Usually the affiliate cookies placed on platforms like these last for long, which will of course help you make more money from those who click your affiliate link. Seriously, you will not believe how specific and weird some of the niches on these online course platforms are. Anyways, I hope all the tips I've shared with you in this video will help you find an ideal product that you can start promoting on your YouTube channel. And if you are still looking for ways to promote your videos for more views, make sure to check out my video tutorial on getting free and organic traffic or viewers to your channel. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.